Hello, good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my channel with Islamic greetings. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So here's the next question on the board, question 16. And the question reads, the third and ninth terms of an arithmetic progression, AP, are 9 and minus 27 respectively. Find the fifth term. So this is based on AP. And AP is also called the linear sequence. So let's solve the problem on the board. Now, solution. For the nth term of an arithmetic progression, the formula is this. Tn equals to a plus bracket n minus 1 close bracket d. That's the formula for the number of terms of an arithmetic progression. So let's go to the question now. The third, which means n is 3. All right? So if n is 3, and we are told that, let's go back to the question again. N is 3 and ninth term also. N is also what? 9. But we are told that the third and ninth terms, they are 9 and minus 27 respectively, which means that from here now, T3 is 9, T9 is what? Minus 27. That is the meaning. So if you put all these things, if you place all this value into this formula now, instead of writing Tn now, because we want to get the value of when n equals to what? 3. Instead of writing Tn, it's going to be 9 equals to, can you see that? A is unknown, plus number of terms is 3, minus 1, close bracket d. So this is same thing as what? 9 equals to A plus 2d. And this can be arranged like this. A plus 2d equals to 9. And that is equation 1. That's the first thing. All right. If you do the same thing with the second value given to us. So T9, instead of writing Tn again, you're going to put minus 27. Which means minus 27 equals to A plus. And the number of terms there is 9 minus 1 close bracket d. Right. So we have minus 27 equals to A plus 8d. So this also implies that what? A plus 8d equals to minus 27. And we call that equation 2. So we need to find the value of A and D simultaneously because it's a simultaneous equation. So we need to find the value of A and D using any of the methods in the simultaneous equation, either the substitution method, the elimination method. So let me combine 1 and 2 together. So combine 1 and 2 together. Combine 1 and 2. So if you combine them, you have A plus 2D equals to 9. Don't forget that's equation 1. And A plus 8D equals to minus 27. And that's equation 2. So we can easily apply elimination method to this because we now have the same term in both equation 1 and equation 2. That is, we have A and A. So which means you can eliminate what? A first by using elimination method. So you subtract. When you subtract A minus 8 out, A minus A out, then the same thing we apply will be applicable to these guys. 2D minus 8D. That will give us minus 6D. Can you see that? Then 9 minus minus 27. That means you have two minus in between. That will be plus. That means 9 minus minus 27 is the same as 9 plus 27. And that will give us 36. So you divide both sides by what? Negative 6. So that the value of D will be equals to 6 here 1, 6 here 6. So that's minus 6. We have gotten the value of what? D to be minus 6. So I'll use this space for the remaining solution. So after getting the value of D to be minus 6, what you should do next? I'm trying to stroke an arrow so that you will see I continue from up there. All right. So when the value of D is equals to minus 6, you replace in any of these two equations to get the value of what? A, which is the first term. So I can say replace D equals to minus 6 in equation 1. I can use any of the equation, don't forget. So we have A plus 2D equals to what? 9. So when the value of D is minus 6, let us put into this formula. We have A plus 2 bracket minus 6 equals to 9. That's A plus times minus is minus. 2 times 6 is what? 12. Equals to what? 9. So A equals to 9 plus 12. And that's A equals to what? 21. We have gotten the value of first term and the common difference. And we are told to find the fifth term. So just like what I did the other time, let me explain something to you here. You can see, when I was getting the number of terms to be 3 here, I have my reduced formula to be A plus 2D. Look at 9 also, A plus 8D. So which means if you have to get, let's say if you have to get 7 terms, that will be A plus 6D. 10 times, that will be A plus 9D. 11 times that will be A plus what? 10D, like that, like that. So I don't need to strain myself by writing formula again. Since I want to find the fifth term, I'll just simply say that, therefore, the T5 will be A plus 4D. It's just like reducing that value by 1. Can you see? Like A plus 6D is A plus 5D, A plus 7D is A plus 6D, like that. So let's just replace the value of A and D into this expression. We have 21 plus 4 bracket minus 6. And that will give us 21 minus 24. That will give us what? Minus 3 as our final answer. So the fifth term of this AP is what? Minus 3, which is option C. So I hope that is clear. So if you enjoyed this video, please kindly hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, and follow me on my YouTube channel, Facebook page, and my TikTok page. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.